Hello everyone, today I'm going to do those lace nails with two different ways. First, I'm applying soft white, one layer, and try to apply it really thin. And then I'm using white gel color with Presto gel powder, and I'm mixing them roughly like 50-50 ratio. And if its consistency should be not too thick, not too runny. And then I'm using a 3D brush to apply a little bit more pressure from beginning. So I'm drawing 3 petals and then leave the brush towards the end. So basically I'm drawing around the nails and then curing them. And then I'm using a line brush to draw the outlines of all the petals. I'm start with the center of the petal, so it will be thinner towards the center. After I finish all the outline, just put a few dots in the center of each flower. And then I'm connecting all the petals, outlines. Here I smeared it, but I will clean it up later. So I'm using another clean brush. Wipe off the place I messed up, and then go back in, fix it. Or curry lamp. So the next one, it's the same, one layer of the soft white curry lamp, and then I'm using this sculpture gel. This will give a smoother texture compared to the other one with the powder. secure in them, and then I'm repeating the outline. So compared to the other one, this one has a more smooth finish. The other one kind of have a green texture. It's more like different kind of fabric. Here are the two different finishes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.